Hello, and today we'll be discussing angle bisectors. Just for a quick definition, angle bisectors are lines that split an angle into two equal parts. You're moving into our example problem. So, first thing that our example problem states is that line segment FH bisects angle EHG. So here's line segment FH, and here is angle EHG. So for our first question on for our first example, it says that EHG, or our full angle, is equal to 68 degrees. And it's asking us to find EHF, which EHF. So we can already kind of tell that it has our angle bisector, so it would split the angle in half. So our 68 would be divided by 2, as stated in this next problem right here. So in the end, we would get a whopping 34 degrees for angle EHF. So here on problem 2, it's asking if FHG, or angle FHG is equal to 34. And here next, it's saying our total, or EHG, is equal to question mark. So we would have to find EHG using FHG. So we can already tell that FH, our angle bisector, is part of that angle. So instead of splitting it in half this time, though, we would multiply it by 2 because we're trying to get EHG. So 34 multiplied by 2 is what? 68, correct? So now we can move on to problem 3. If angle EHF is equal to 4x plus 2, so EHF, I wrote that the right way, is equal to 4x plus 2, and if EHG, our full angle, is equal to 6x subtracted by 4, find the value of x. So first what we would do is we would set 4x plus 2 equal to 6x minus 4. And then what we would do is we would multiply 2 by 4x plus 2 because, that would be angle EHF's number, and you would have to multiply that 2 to get equal to. So, and now, since we multiplied that by 2, we have 8x plus 4 is equal to 6x minus 4. So now what we would do is we would subtract 4 from positive 4 and 4 from negative 4 to get 8x is equal to 6x minus 8. And then what we would get is, then what we would do after that is subtract 6x from 8x and 6x from 6x to get 2x, which would be equal to negative 8. So after that, we would divide 2x by 2 and negative 8 by 2 to get our final answer, which would be 4. So x would be equal to 4. Thank you all for listening. That will be the end of the lesson.